Hi guys! Today's topic is quite an interesting one, and this topic was inspired by a conversation I had with a friend some weeks back. Displaying on the screen right now is the screen record of the chat, and don't worry guys, I had clearance to put this up. Parking light comes easy for some, but for most of us, we are more inclined to err when it comes to parking for trips. So the big question is, how do you manage to park lights and still get everything you need in your luggage? Stick around. So the first thing you need to do is create an itinerary. What that simply means is know what you're doing every day, know the major activities you'll be involved in, know the places you would most likely visit. That way it makes it easier to pack what you really need whilst leaving out the unnecessary stuff. The second thing is write a packing list. You need to write down everything you'll be taking along on a piece of paper or on a note-taking app on your device. Go for versatile clothing. The more versatile your clothing are, the more they can be utilized on your trip and the less you have to pack. So here are some tips to help you determine how versatile your clothing are. Number one, how well can you mix and match the colors? Do they easily wrinkle? How light are those fabrics? So if you can afford to spend some extra cash, then do not pack toiletries, because chances are that there will be supermarkets around where you can get your basic toiletries and everyday necessities. Also, for your personal effects like body lotions, your body wash, your shampoo, I would advise that instead of going with the full container, depending on the number of days or weeks you intend going away for, you can take a little quantity of this in and put them in a smaller container or smaller bottles. This would ensure that you have enough space in your luggage, except you absolutely have to work. Your laptops and other gadgets are unnecessary. Most times you find out that you can do a lot of things on your smartphone. So stay away from your laptops and some other gadgets if you're not working on your trip. For other fashion items like your footwear, ensure you pack practical footwears that can be worn on multiple occasions depending on the activities you'll be engaged in. Also, consider going with a laundry detergent so you can wash some of your clothing and repeat them instead of having to pack more clothing than necessary. More importantly, when arranging your clothes in your luggage, I would suggest that you roll them as opposed to folding them, because this provides for more space in your luggage. Also, make sure you're well informed about the weather in the town or country or states you plan on visiting, because this enables you to also make well-informed choices when it comes to your clothing. Stop packing for your fantasy self. Pack with the real you in mind. Yeah, I know it's okay to want to switch up styles every now and then, but make sure that you're comfortable in every piece of clothing that goes into that luggage. So guys, if for some reason you'll be traveling with a bulky clothing item like a cardigan or a winter jacket, instead of putting it in your luggage, I would suggest that you wrap it around your shoulder or wrap it around your waist to provide for room in your luggage. Yeah, guys, we've come to the end of today's episode. So let me know if these tips were helpful, and if there was any tip I missed, kindly comment in the comment section. Till next time, arrivederci.